Hello ladies and gentlemen, Robert West back at you with another JTech Diesel Technology student video. Today for hydraulics I'm going to be showing you how to take apart real quick and get measurements on a valve body. This is a Wolverine type valve body. It has 4 valves, 3 different motions. And I'm going to show you how to get your measurements on your spools. I'll start by taking off these outer ports here. You see the spring side here.
On your video. Why you stand around with your hands in your pocket? You got another one right there. Yeah, they're down there. Well, just go right down and do whatever you see when they're done. They'll put it back in the oil. That's what they do.
Pull the lever side out.
Yeah, that was somebody put together backwards. Levers go on the other side.
Apparently the levers go on the other side, according to my teacher. Pull the spool out. Be sure not to touch these parts here, it'll cut you up. Now, measurements you're going to get. You're going to get the inside of both ports, and you're going to get the outside diameter on your spool. Okay, how to get your measurements? You're going to want to hit it in a T pattern on the outside, so you'll go here and then here on all 4 parts. .591. I already took all the measurements of all these. 0.591, correct? And I'm going to turn it this way. 0.592. You're allowed a difference of 0.002 thousandths. And then you're going to do that all the way down. .590. Turn. 589. And just continue all the way down. 0.590. Turn. 590. 589. Turn. 590. That's how you get the measurements on the spoolers. Now on the ports, you want to get the inside diameter. You want to know how to work your tools that you're working with. 0.589. You're also going to want to get this in a T. Also, you're going to go side to side, up and down. I got all the numbers, 5.598. We'll do the same thing on the other side. .59. That's how you get your measurements, and you can get how much clearance that your spools have to make sure that they actually work properly.
So what?
So now you get it all apart. You would measure the inside and outside of each one. I already knocked that out, got all the measurements for it on my spools and the inside diameter of the ports. Just gonna put it back together real quick. Like I said, be careful. Don't want to cut your fingers. Make sure to put it back together the correct way. clearance is very minimum, so it's a very tight fit. Make sure all these are facing upwards so you can put the handle back in, just like so. And when you put the handle back on, you have to lift the lever down to get it to lock into place. Then you bolt in your 4 screws on each side. Put your caps back on. Uniform on the back side. 2 screws per on this. Get your screws kind of set in before you put it all the way in. Get both sides set. Same with the 4 here. Get them set before you tighten them all the way down. And you could do an X pattern on these to make sure you get a full seal there. And then you can connect air and run your levers to make sure it works.